Once upon a time, in a small coastal village, there lived a young boy named Ethan. He had always been fascinated by the vastness and mystery of the ocean. Every day, he would spend hours exploring the shores, searching for seashells, and watching the waves crash against the rocks. One sunny morning, as Ethan was sitting by the shore, he noticed something shimmering in the distance. Curiosity piqued. He squinted his eyes and realized it was a beautiful girl with long flowing hair, sitting on a rock. Her emerald green tail sparkled in the sunlight. Enchanted by her beauty, Ethan approached her cautiously. The girl, named Marina, had never encountered a human before. As their eyes met, an instant connection formed between them. Marina could sense Ethan's pure heart and kindness, and Ethan was captivated by Marina's ethereal charm. From that day forward, Ethan and Marina spent every moment they could together. They would swim among the coral reefs, dive into the depths of the ocean, and explore hidden caves. Ethan would tell Marina stories of life on land, while Marina shared the secrets of the sea with him. Their bond grew stronger with each passing day, but they knew their love faced a unique challenge. Marina's true home was in the ocean, while Ethan belonged to the land. Their worlds were separate, and a life together seemed impossible. Determined to find a solution, Ethan embarked on a quest to discover a way for Marina to live on land. He studied ancient tales and consulted wise elders who spoke of a mystical pearl said to grant a mermaid the ability to walk on land. With hope in his heart, Ethan set off on a dangerous journey to find this precious pearl. Months passed, and Ethan's relentless search led him to a hidden cave deep beneath the ocean's surface. Inside, he found the glowing pearl, pulsating with an otherworldly energy. Filled with excitement, he raced back to Marina, eager to present her with the gift that could change their lives. As Ethan reached the shore, he saw Marina waiting for him with tears in her eyes. She had heard of his journey and knew the sacrifices he had made. Overwhelmed with love, she confessed her fears of leaving the sea behind. Understanding her worries, Ethan took Marina's hands and spoke from his heart. He assured her that their love was strong enough to conquer any obstacle. Whether on land or in the sea, they would always be together. With hope and trust, Marina held the pearl close to her heart. As its magic engulfed her, she felt her tail transform into legs. With shaky steps, Marina took her first walk on land, her eyes shining with wonder. Ethan and Marina's love story became a legend in the village. They lived harmoniously, embracing their unique connection and teaching their communities the importance of love and acceptance. The tale of the boy who loved a mermaid spread far and wide, inspiring others to believe in the extraordinary and the power of love. And as long as the ocean waves kissed the shores, the memory of Ethan and Marina's timeless love lived on, reminding everyone that true love knows no bounds.